If you find yourself typing the same tasks into Todoist over and over again, this video is going to save you a ton of time. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repeat tasks in Todoist so your routine work, reminders, and recurring habits can automate themselves. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized without constantly recreating the same task every single day. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Todoist tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. To start, open Todoist and press on your keyboard. This opens the task creator instantly, which is a super fast way to add a new task without clicking around menus. Once the task box appears, type the name of your task first. For example, you might type workout, send weekly report, pay rent, or review emails. After the task name, you're going to add the repeat schedule right in the same line. If you want the task to repeat every day, you can type every day. You can also use daily or every morning, depending on how you want the task to appear. Todoist understands these natural language commands, so you do not need to build a complicated schedule manually. Just type the task name, add the repeat phrase, and Todoist will automatically turn it into a recurring task. For weekly tasks, you can type every week if you want it to repeat once every 7 days. If you want it on a specific day, you can be even more precise. For example, you can type every Friday or every Tuesday. That is perfect for things like weekly check-ins, team meetings, planning sessions, or content reviews. Todoist will recognize the day and repeat the task on that schedule. You can also repeat tasks on specific weekdays. If you want a task to happen on multiple days, just type every Mon, Wed, Fry. This is great for workout routines, study habits, or posting schedules. If your task should happen on workdays only, you can type every weekday, and Todoist will repeat it from Monday through Friday automatically. This is one of the best options if you want a clean weekday routine without setting each day separately. Todoist also supports custom intervals, which is really useful for less common schedules. For example, you can type every 3 days if you want a task to repeat after a short gap, or every 2 weeks if you only need it every other week. This works well for maintenance tasks, follow-ups, reminders, and recurring personal goals that do not fit a normal daily or weekly pattern. Once you've typed the task name and the repeat command, just save the task. Todoist will create it as a recurring task, and from then on, it will automatically reappear based on the schedule you chose. That means you only have to set it up once, and Todoist takes care of the rest. The biggest tip here is to use natural language as clearly as possible. Keep the task name simple, then add the repeat phrase right after it. If Todoist recognizes the wording, it will handle the schedule for you. This makes recurring tasks setup fast, flexible, and easy to remember. So now you know how to repeat tasks in Todoist using daily, weekly, weekday-based, and custom interval schedules. This is a great way to automate habits and keep your productivity system running smoothly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Todoist tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.